the expression. So we need to combine like terms. However, in order to combine like terms, we have to get rid of parentheses first. So we get rid of parentheses by distributing. And remember from before, distributing means to take the number on the outside times each number on the inside. So for number 14, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is positive 2. I'm going to leave my plus x out there because I haven't done anything with it yet. Now I can combine like terms. So x and 2x are like terms, so I'm going to add them. I'm going to do exactly what it says. 2x plus x is 3x. Remember, there's a 1 here. Oops, I didn't work it all. Let's try that again. Remember, there's a 1 out there if we don't see anything. On the other hand, my 2 here does not have any other like terms, so we're just going to write it down. Let's try number 16. So again, we have to get rid of our parentheses first by distributing. Negative 4 times 5m is negative 20m. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And I'm going to write down the plus 3m because I haven't done anything with it yet. Now when I look for like terms, negative 20m and positive 3m are like terms. So I'm going to add those together. I'm going to do negative 20m plus 3m to be negative 17m. My minus 8 here does not have any other like terms, so we're going to leave it minus 8. Let's do number 18 next. So we're going to start by distributing. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 4 is positive 8x. And we're going to write down plus 5x squared. So my like terms here are 2x squared and 5x squared. And we're going to add those together. 2x squared plus 5x squared is 7x squared. Again, I'm not changing the exponent. 2 apples plus 5 apples is 7 apples. However, my 8x here does not have any other like terms, so we're going to leave it plus 8x. Okay, let's try just a couple more to make sure you have it. Let's do 21. So I'm going to distribute. Now this time I'm going to distribute the negative 3. So negative 3 times y is negative 3y. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. And I'm going to bring down the 4. My like terms here are 4 and negative 24 because they're just numbers. So 4 minus 24 would be negative 20. My negative 3y here does not have any other like terms, so we're just going to leave it. Negative 3y. Okay, let's finish with number 22. So we're going to distribute the negative 2x. Negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times 3 is negative 6x. And I'm going to bring down the 5x because I haven't done anything with it yet. Our like terms here are 5x and negative 6x because they both have just an x. So we're going to put those together. 5x minus 6x is negative 1x. My negative 2x squared does not have any other like term, so we're just going to write it down, negative 2x squared. Now if you wanted to just write negative x minus 2x squared, you could, because this one here is not necessary. necessary. We assume that the 1 is here. But either way would be acceptable. So at this